What's crackalacking, guys? Tamarindo SK here with another video on the EG. Sheesh. We got some little upgrade skis. We ended up getting a steering wheel and a short shifter. Let's go ahead and show you guys which steering wheel we ended up picking up. It's a MOMO one, but y'all are not gonna believe it. It's a clean MOMO one. Give me a sec, give me a sec. You guys ready? Bam! Yes, sir. Compared to the one it has, gay. I mean, not gay, ugly. But yeah, guys, comes with all the stuff right here. Red MOMO. We're gonna go ahead and slap this on, and then also put the. What are you gonna take off? Oh, you're gonna tighten those? Yeah. Okay, right now he's just tightening the center console to put that on. Wrap it up. I have a whole bunch of those screws over there for the other thing. Yeah, guys. Ya quedó, ya quedó. Here's the car, here's the car. So right now, let's just go ahead and slap that steering wheel on. We're also gonna do some, my brother has a lip too, so we're gonna go ahead and get that and put it on. But for right now, let's do the short shifter and the steering wheel. All right, guys, let's go ahead and unbox the BLOX shift hub that we went with. Sheesh, check that out. Ooh, with the red, then the red shifter, fire. I think it comes with a nut. It's supposed to come with a nut. Did it come with a nut? Dang, didn't come with a nut. That sucks, guys. Normally they come with a nut because you put the nut right here, so then you can adjust it so it could sit right in the middle. Because right now, as it sits, it's a little off. This is centered, but then this one isn't. So we need to buy a nut now. That sucks. I didn't know it didn't come with it. But yeah. Alright, guys. Aquí la va a quitar, aquí la va a quitar. Vamos a ver si sabe. Don't lose the screws, eh?
No, comes with new ones.
What?
Comes with new ones.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know that. He's almost done, guys. He's almost done. Last screw, last screw.
One eternity later.
Sheesh. Comes with a little plate, too. All right. Quítalo, pues. I'm waiting for you. All right, guys. We took it off. All you're going to have to do is put... This came with the MOMO. Put this one on like that. Make sure it lines up with the screws. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead and start putting it on. So what goes next? Let's see if the wires. All right, guys. Ahí va la cosa. Ahí va la cosa. Got the drill in. Okay. There we go. Last piece. Sheesh, that thing looks sick. So honestly, the horn doesn't work, guys, so we might as well just call it good right there. Let me take these off and then I'll put them on. Plow! And there you guys go. Check that out, guys. Clean. Clean. Beep, 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 beep. Hell yeah. Stupid clean, not gonna lie. Excited for sure on the rest of the stuff. Now let's go ahead. We got the shift knob, steering wheel on. Looks fantastic. Next up is, we'll show you guys right now. Let's clean up real quick. No manches, guys. Tamarindo with the L once again. Forgot to record an outro. No. But I hope you guys learned something. Yeah. Y como dice una por ahí. Chau, chau.